Yo, welcome back. I've got something special today. It's this best LED DRL daytime. It's officially the most talked about item this month. After testing it myself, I finally understand why it's so popular. Don't go anywhere, because the value here is mind-blowing. Regarding the build, it feels solid and premium. They used high-grade durable materials built to last. You can really tell they didn't cut any corners. It feels way more expensive than it actually is, giving you that luxury experience. The actual performance is where it truly shines. Whether you're a pro or a beginner, this is made for you. It's reliable, quiet, and honestly, just a joy to use every single day. It's a major upgrade to your productivity and lifestyle. Now, here's the catch: they are selling out fast. Click the link below right now and secure yours at the best possible price today. Don't wait until it's gone. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.